Welcome to another episode of How to Budget Bills, no? Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. The guys didn't like the previous video where somebody else explained. They wanted me to explain. Don't know why, but nonetheless. So, that's the hooters we sell. You guys do know that. Works with the compressor, builds up compressed air, and it gets released through these dual horns. Single casing, but still dual horns. It just has a negative and a positive on it. You can connect the straight to your battery, but that would not be ideal. That would not be the proper way. So you have to use a relay. No? So on the relay there is come now. Can you guys see numbers? There's a number 87. There's a number 85, number 30, and number 36. No? So first thing first, the top one, number 37, that one, no, we'll leave a diagram down below. I found it on Google. So it will get a straight signal from your battery, or you can use it coming from your ignition. So I opted to come from my battery. And then you have number 85, which is the earth. Earth is earthed to the chassis of the vehicle. And then you have your number 86, which is a signal that comes from my button, which is inside. The button runs through here with a fuse, and the button sits inside, and the button sends a signal, and that will be my signal wire, which is that one. And then last but not least, we have number 30. Number 30. Number 30 goes to the positive of my hooter. And then we have earth coming from the hooter also to the chassis. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave the camera here so you guys can hear. So there you guys have it. That was quick and easy. I didn't know how. I just googled relay switch and it gave me the wiring diagram and I just wired it. So there you guys have it. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe.